Hi, my name is RJ Kshitij and with me is Akansha. Hi, Akansha.
Hi.
So happy that your process is complete now.
Yeah, very much.
So tell me, कैसा रहा आपका experience AECC Global के
It
साथ?
was overall good. I was blank when I came here
Okay.
with no information and everything, but they guided very well with all the process throughout the journey. So it
Okay.
was very nice, yeah.
So do you remember your first day when you entered the office?
Yeah, just after I graduated, I was gonna give my IELTS. So I was literally, like I said, I have no clue. I had no clue about any country or anything. So I asked and I got many things which helped me to take a decision
Okay.
and form a better decision.
So after you took the decision, उसके बाद का process कैसा था?
Even after taking the decision, my counselor is Manisha. She guided me very well with what documents are needed. She was like entirely in touch with me, or even on WhatsApp after working hours as well, and on Sundays as well.
क्या बात है?
So, she supported throughout, and even if I had any little query, she always was there to answer.
Great. So now
That's
you're
good.
finally ready to fly.
Yep, hopefully, if the COVID doesn't again.
It won't. So don't worry.
Stop me, yeah.
It won't now stop anyone. So we wish you
Hope
all the
so.
best, Akansha. Do well.
Yeah. Thank
ठीक है?
you.
Congratulations once
Yeah,
again.
thank you so much.